Hey everybody, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. This is episode 9875 of What the Heck is Going On? This is the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, the greatest financial institution in the world. The ceiling, the floor, what are the expectations for a Trump and Z call? I think all eyes are on that. Today, the market really kind of looks like an EKG of somebody kind of having a heart attack. More green than red, but still just a little bit of confusion. We're sort of in the corridor here. We can see a bit of the light at the end of the tunnel. We're not sure what's really going on general over markets. We had ended up, we had 1 billion shares traded. We ended up in the red after a real attempt at trying to get it green all day long. But you know what? People are still confused. They're not really sure. We're at the crossroads. We're at the crossroads of walk and don't walk, buys and sells. We're not sure where the market's going to go from here. We've got a lot pending, a lot of components working here with yield curve doing what it's trying to do. We've got tech doing what it's doing. Look, we know about tech. We know about NVIDIA, and NVIDIA is off to the races. They blew it out on earnings and on guidance on revs across the board. Even in the eyes of all that potential promise we had with China, they've survived it. They've transcended it. They are off to the friggin' races, and we know that tech, no matter what's happening with the rest of the market, is leading the pack. At the end of the day, they may suffer a lot less than a lot of the other ones when it comes to tariffs. Yes, we know there have been some problems with NVIDIA and China and tech, but they've transcended it all, and they're in a good place. We're waiting for the next catalyst, for the market to go higher or the market to go lower. We have a meeting with China, and President Xi actually talks to Mr. Trump. All eyes are on that. The expectations around it are big. That's where we're at. That's what we need. We need deals, deals, deals. They've been talking about it for a while. In the beginning of June, some fresh money coming into the market. It feels like people are buying the market. There's a lot of thought going into it. They're not just buying it with abandon. They're picking their spots. They're picking their sectors. And that's a good thing. That's how you build a foundation. Let's get busy trading this market. Wall Street Global Trading Academy, WSGTA.com. You want to learn. This is the time to learn how to trade this market. We're about to embark on some of the greatest times in history in the stock market. This is your time to learn. This is your time to shine. This is your time to start making money. This is your time to start living. Get busy. WSGTA.com. David Green, greatest technical trader in the marketplace. One of the best of all time. WSGTA.com. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. My teacher, my friend, my mentor. Go check it out. Join us. Link in the bio. Giddy up.